Shit, bro, we're lost. Shit.
Oh, I know the way. I've got a map in my
Go.
head, but I know the way. Shit, is a lion. Shit.
What are you doing?
Die!
Put the ball away. God, Harvey in this dance last night, that was so funny.
So don't you mind me pissing in the bottle?
You're not pissing in the bottle.
Can you piss in the bottle?
No.
That's fine.
You look like some
I
hooded
know.
gangster. What is that?
What's some...
Weird path. Oh, you've taken it off. You're not a gangster anymore. Oh,
I want to be a
shit.
gangster. That's just selfish.
What?
Be quiet now, be quiet now.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. I've taken...
Oh, it stinks.
Oh, I wish this was like... I don't know. I wish it was a monkey.
I'm cold. Where are we walking? In the jungle, the mighty jungle. Ooh. Shit, there's no one here. We're gonna get bombed. Shit. Oh, you liar. You said you didn't know the way.
I might not.
Is this actually gonna go on YouTube or not? I might put it on there later. Shit.
Shit, my life.
Oh, I see people somewhere.
People. Shit. Is that people?
Look, Grandpa's well behind. Look at him all the way over there. You shit. Shit.
On camera, it's so rude.
Shit.
Oh,
No.
piss in the bottle.
How is that going to upset me? We're just filming our adventure on some random place that I've never been to in my life.
Call the beaches, but it's not like a beach.
Well, why did they call it the beaches when we're like miles from the sea? We're not even near the sea.
I don't know why.
Well, you should know.
This way random video.
Oh, fucking hell. Bench.
Shit.
Let's see what it says.
We'll see what it says.
Oh, crap.
It says shit.
This bench.
It says, fuck you.
Pretty much. What is this? Whoa. Whoa, man.
Whoa.
Do you actually know where you're going?
I don't know, man.
Oh, cool beans. We could end up on some, like, island. Oh, no, wait. We can't do that. We're not at the sea. No. Hey, we could turn this into a horror film.
Yeah.
Everyone gets bummed.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Where are we, Harry?
We are in the middle of nowhere.
Pretty much.
Shit, I always got scared.
Shit.
I think I'll be inbred on it.
We haven't even seen her for like years, man. No one's gonna know what we're talking about. We shouldn't talk about that.
Nah, you might see this on YouTube.
This trip is boring.
Are you filming yourself?
I'm not filming myself. I'm filming the floor, you twat.
Yeah, I'll film the floor. Look at this. Look at me. Look at me. I've got piss in the bottle now.
I'm gonna fucking visit the floor. Shit, where's everyone gone? Oh dear.
We should get our YouTube channel.
Which way? That way? That way? That way? Or your face?
How about we go buy some chocolate cake?
Chocolate cake.
Yeah, we get some chocolate cake for the YouTube
We said
channel.
the other day that we'd buy everyone cake if they subscribe to you.
Yeah, next time.
The cake was a lie, bitch!
It's not a lie. It's true.
Oh, we've got to be quiet. Oh.
Or people.
Hold up. Bin! What does this say? Dog mess is different from... No, it isn't.
What are you filming?
Dog mess is different from cat... What the hell? What is that?
A think it's a piece of shit.
From your face!
Fuck you!
Where are we going? Random stick on the floor!
Bored, so I'm gonna turn this
Wee!
my dick and say, Boner! Boner!
The Adventures of Harry and Alice. I am here, by the way, guys. I'm like here.
Yo, it's that way.
Which way?
It's that way.
What are we stepping on? Oh dear.
Oh, it's shit.
She's gonna follow you. Stalkers.
Oh wait, that camera's so stalking me. You're the camera.
Hey. Shh, be quiet.
Okay.
Shh. What? Didn't you say you wanted to walk on the trees just now?
Yeah.
You did. You said it ages ago. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna walk on a tree. Oh dear, what you like? Which one? Climb a tree, yeah, Harry, there's like 7 million trees here. Tarzan! Wasn't he a Disney character or something?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 90s kids for the win. Isn't this where we've already been?
Well, this has sex with a tree, what are you on about?
Shh. Which way are we going? Go that way.
Yeah. How long this video has been going on?
This video, I don't know, it doesn't say.
I saw a movie.
7 minutes and 1 second, 2, 3.
This is a movie, that's why it's taking it.
Movie, it can only be 15 minutes.
What?
Because that's YouTube's time limit. Because it's gay. Old people walking in front.
Shit. Don't want the old people. This is old people. Be quiet.
This is like an old people's place. I mean, you may as well just build a retirement home right over there. Your laugh is so stupid. Your laugh sounds like a demented monkey or something.
No, I'm in the jungle. It's a nature walk.
Shh, you have to be quiet, Harry. This is where people come to relax. Shh.
Boner! Do you hear that?
Shh, don't be an idiot. No, wait, that was no, wait. You was... No.
Baby! Honestly!
I'm gonna stop recording now. You're such Harry, come here a minute. Why are you such an idiot? Oh my god, there's people like looking at you like you're an idiot. Oh wait, you are. Wait.
I'm not a sprat, right?
What is this place? Look at it.
I'm not. Retard?
What?
That's the retard there.
You're the only one in this video. You should put this on your channel, not mine.
Yeah. Should put on both our channels.
What's the point in putting it on both our channels?
No,
Mine will get more views.
Say who gets the most subscribers, you or me.
Okay, oh, that's another piece of paper. Let's go down here.
No, this is where the nature walk. Oh
Shit.
man.
Zoom along down here. Please do not use the boardwalk. You'll die. The mire. This boggy area. I can't read. Oh. No dogs allowed, people.
That's so gay. I'm gonna throw this in then.
No, you're not. Put the bottle away. Are you still carrying that damn thing? Quick, go! Quick! Shit! This video is 9 minutes long. It's just a long video.
I know, but this is like a nature show, isn't it?
nature show. It's not really. We haven't shown them any nature. There's a tree.
Oh my god.
That
it's
is a weird tree. That is a
so
weird
scary.
tree.
Looks like someone's boner.
In what way does that resemble a boner? Harry, get off the tree.
I can see my house from here.
Oh yeah, right. Right over there, a million miles. Come on. We've got to cross a gate thingy. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Well, I'm doing it the difficult way.
Oh, it's me again. I'm back for your weekend.
The zoom on this thing is bad.
You're so on my arse because that's further. That's so gay.
Banana.
So much stupid.
This is just us randomly talking about random.
Nature stuff, yeah. Oh, I can run it, boy. Look at me, I'm running.
Oh my god, Harry's running. First time in 10 years. Where are you going? Go and jump in a pile of leaves. I'm not, you can.
Where are the leaves?
I don't know, there's random piles of stuff there.
Can we kick it?
What's the point in kicking it? What are you going to achieve? What?
Is that an ant nest?
I don't know. Ant nest. Go and kick the ant nest and they'll like eat you.
Yeah.
No, they won't. I'd so laugh if it was a wasp's nest and you just see
No,
you running away with like wasps after you. Yeah.
I need a puddle. I can't on my jumping side.
Go in front.
I'm so hyper, I want to do something.
You weren't hyper just now, you were like sleepy. We're going to Sainsbury's in a minute. Adventures in Sainsbury's. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, anyway. Bye bye.
We're like at the end of the nature trail, there's the gate.
Yeah, let's show the hot weight is at the...
Nice car, mate. No, nice car.
Shit.
Shit.
Shit my life. You like filming me, like...
Yeah, we could film me next time.
Yeah.
Sir Henry Peaks Drive. What the foo? Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna go now, aren't we, Harry?
Bye bye. See you later, guys.
Bye, man.